Hey guys, just want to introduce you to my 91 Chevy Silverado, two-wheel drive, short wheelbase, power locks, power windows. Just purchased this truck and I want to swap this grill out with this one. Hopefully it will fit. It came out of a 91 Suburban and it was gold, and I took some spray paint and just painted that bumper filler. So hopefully it fits. If not, I'll take another route. This truck did have a toolbox, where you see the toolbox right there, but it had the railings also. I took those off already. It's got gray interior. The carpet's somewhat new. It's just real dirty. My dash is all cracked up. Seats need to be redone over. But, you know, headliner is new and it still looks new. You know, besides cosmetic work, it's a good running truck. It's a 5.7 engine in it. Future plans, I hope to get me some wheels, lower it, paint it, and do some good things, man. We'll love a sunroof if it's plentiful like that. But as of right now, I just wanted to look good and run a little better than it is. But it runs well, you know, to be an old truck. And I am the second owner of this truck. The original owner was the first owner. And I got a real good deal on this truck here. All right, guys, when I get this grill installed, if it works, I will post an update. Like, comment, and subscribe. And if you have any suggestions for me in this truck, comment, let me know. Because I'm new to this truck, you know, this truck thing. So, any suggestions help. Y'all have a good one. Like, comment, subscribe.